Hi guys, this is Mama Sue, and today I've got this cute little earring for you. This is made with natural stones. And I put a little feather charm on the end. I put 3 stones and a little metal charm there. Isn't that cute? And then all I have here is just a little flat bead, like a saucer-shaped bead. Right here and right here. They're different colors, so I went and made sure I put the different colors there. Anyway, the way we do this is we start out got the wrong kind of wire, but that's all right. I can turn this into that kind of wire. Wait, let me see if I have it. Okay, I see what kind it is. Nothing like having the wrong kind of wires out here. I don't think it'll really matter with this particular earring, because all I got to do is wait. Let me see if I just twist it up. Oh yeah, okay. So this one isn't even twisted. This is just one of those that it's been a while since I did this one. Okay, so you just grab on right here, and we're going to make ourselves an eye pin. Because I had the flat pin there, I just made myself an eye pin. Let me show you that again so that you know how to do it. Well, this got an eye pin on the other side. So what we do is we grab on to the tip of the wire. Now I'm going to push down. Then I'm going to move my plier a little bit. Then I'm going to turn it again until it touches the wire. See how it's touching? See, it's touching now. Then I want to put my pliers right back in here and just straighten it up. Now, I straighten that up, and there we go. We got an eye pin. See there? You can use any wire if you want to do that. But that's an easy thing to make. It's not a big deal if you don't have that. If you have wires, you're in good shape. Now what I want to do is I made this the same size. It doesn't make much difference. It's pretty close. And then what I want to do is I want to put one of these spacer beads on here first, but they are different colors. There's one of those saucer beads that I just put on. And then, wait, did I put anything else? Nope, just a saucer bead. And then I'm going to put my 3 beads right here on. There's 1 and 2 and 3. This is a pretty quick bracelet to make. I mean, earrings. Boy, I get so confused. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is we got to make this little circle up here, right there, and then we got to wind it around and around, and this earring will be almost done. So I'm going to grab it right about here. Because of the size this one is, I want to make sure that I get close to the same size. I'm going to push this straight down, just like that. Let me get this out of the way so you can see. Then I'm going to move my pliers up to the top where the bend is. And I'm going to pull the wire back toward me, just like that. Now, this is how we look right now. I'm going to put my pliers back in there, move it up a little bit so the wire can finish going around. Now I just twisted that around so that it finished going around. Now it's all the way to the other side. I'm going to hang on to this, and I'm going to get my wrap started. But let me put these together and make sure I've got them the same. Well, I think this one's a little bit taller, so I'm gonna take that in a little bit before I wrap this up. I'm going to take it down just a little bit. And to take it down, all I do is bring my pliers back a little bit and pull forward. And that's making the wire, the circle smaller. Then I'm going to grab, I'm going to switch hands here. I'm going to grab this wire here. And I am going to start to wrap. Boy, this is a heavy one. I'm going to start to wrap my wire around and around at least 2 times. If I can get a hold of it, the wire, I can finish wrapping it. Okay, that's good enough. Now let me see what we've got. It's in a good place now. I'm glad I opened that back up. Now I want to pull this up because I want to cut this little piece off, this little piece of metal that's left here. I hate those little places that stick up. And then I'm going to squash down the rest of that and straighten up my circle. Okay, that is a good little thing there. Then I am going to go back and I'm going to add my little cutie here, a little leaf. To add my leaf, what I need to do is open this bottom part by moving it straight up and not out. Out will just weaken it. Then I'm going to stick on my little cutie. There we go. And then I'm going to close it back up. Now I've got a little embellishment there that looks adorable. And all I have left is I got to put my ear wire on. So here's my ear wire. And as usual, I don't like the way it's shaped, so I'm reshaping it. That will make my earring where it'll hang straight down. So I'm opening this up, straight up. And then I want the front to go on first. So I'm going to see which side is the front. This side is the front. Put that on there. I'm going to have to move my circle at the bottom a little bit to make sure it's in the front. Okay, this one needs to be front and center. Oh, there it is. I'll go this way. Now that makes just a cute little pair of earrings. They're simple. All I did is put a little embellishment on the end of it, a little leaf. See how cute those are? And these are natural rocks. My daughter loves the natural rocks. Those are her favorite. Well, that's what I got for you today. And they were simple, easy earrings to make. Oops. They were simple and easy to make, and I know you're not going to have any problem with these. But anyway, in the next video, I'm going to make smaller earrings because a lot of people like the smaller, tiny earrings, and my granddaughter's been asking me for some. So I'm going to be making her some little dainty earrings. So everybody, you take care of yourselves, and God bless and keep you safe.